Hello everyone, I'm just Ian. Welcome to this new video. Today we're taking a look at the booster bundle for Perfect Order, Mega Evolution's newest set, releasing actually today. I picked it up immediately when I could. It cost me only 36 euros, which is a standard retail price, but it's actually very rare to get something standard retail price nowadays. This set includes Mega Zygarde, Mega Clefable, Mega Starmie. It also includes Meowth EX, and what I'm personally hoping for that we're going to be pulling is a regular Tyrantrum, because I love Tyrantrum. I love that Pokemon. It's one of my top 6 favorite Pokemon, so I really hope we're getting it. I also saw that there's an amazing art rare Amoris, and I can't wait to see that. So let's just open this bad boy up and hope it's in there. Of course, a booster bundle only includes 6 packs. So let's hope we get lucky today. Get this foil out of the way and open it up. And here are the packs. So we have our Mega Zygarde, our Meowth, Mega Starmie, Mega Clefable, another Mega Zygarde, and another Meowth. Of course, I have my top loaders ready, I have my sleeves ready. So let's get straight into this. Pretty sure the cards trick for this one is just one from the back to the front. You can already see our QR code. Put that away, and then it's from the back to the front, and I did it wrong again. Oh my god, I really need to get better at this. Here we have our energy, grass type energy. We have a Seal, Doublade, Spupa, Potion, Volcanion. That's very cool, Volcanion. That's gonna be awesome in water decks. Shaman! Whoa! Beautiful artwork. Lumiose Gelatin. Heal 20 damage. That's nice. Lumiose City. Ghastly. And a Rock Energy. Special Energy. So that's actually very cool. I'm really happy with that, because that's very playable. If I want a Tyrantrum deck, I'm gonna need those special energies. Let's see if I can actually get the card trick. From the back to the front, turn it around, and we actually got it. So we have a Rock Energy, Scatterbug, Haunter. That's awesome Haunter art. Propopass, Snorlax, another Shaman, another Lumiose Gelatin, Barbaracle, Hippowdon, and we have a Pokemon Catcher and a Salazzle EX. That's cool. Nasty Plot, Dire Nails. That's getting sleeved. Look at that. Awesome. Second pack and we have a hit. No Tyrantrum though. 4 more packs to go. Let's hope we get a Pokepad or a Tyrantrum. This pack is a little stuck. And we have a base water energy. Put this aside. Base water energy. A Pokeball. Snivy. Oh, I love Snivy. Shinx. Tyrant. That's so cool. Oh, I love Tyrants. We have Naveen. We have Turtonator with a Shell Spikes ability. If this Pokemon is in the active spot, and is damaged by an attack from your opponent's Pokemon, even if his Pokemon is knocked out, discard an energy from the attacking Pokemon. That's actually pretty good if you're playing against a Dragapult. Esper. And Tyrantrum. I don't even care. Oh my god, we got Superior. That's awesome. But look at this. Beautiful artwork. I'm legit so happy. I'm more happy with that Tyrantrum than I am with the EX we pulled. There's just nothing as cool as getting one of your favorite Pokemon as a Pokemon card. I'm definitely gonna sleeve that later, but I might actually make a Tyrantrum deck. So I'm gonna need some more. So let's keep going with a Fire Energy. Ghastly. Esper. Salandit. Fletchling. Another Hippowdon. Another Turtonator. Pokepad! We were looking for this one. Very playable card. Really in demand card. And we have a Meowstic. And another Tyrantrum! Oh my god. Look at that. That's so cool. We both got two Tyrantrums in a row. Can we make it 3? Can we make it 3? We need another Tyrant to go with that Tyrantrum. I really want the new promo Tyrantrum. Or Tyrant. The promo Tyrant. But I'm probably just gonna order that, and I'm not gonna order an entire ETB of Perfect Order, because, well, I like Perfect Order, but I don't know. I don't 80 euros like it, if you know what I'm saying. It's not like it's Darkness Ablaze. So we have a basic energy. Honedge. Spinarak. Nosepaws. Scorpy. Terragon. Drapion. Cool Pokemon. Barbarical again. Mawile. Scatterbug. And a Mega Zygarde EX. You know, not very fond of its design, but this card definitely looks amazing. Sleeving this. And it's going straight into a top loader, because why the hell not? You know, I have it the wrong side up. Can I actually get it in the sleeve? Thank you. So, Mega Zygarde EX. Look at that. That's so cool. Such a cool card, such a cool Pokemon. And our last pack of Perfect Order for today. Leave a comment, what do you think we're getting? Personally, I'm hoping on another Pokepad and on another Tyrant. So we have 2 Tyrants and 2 Tyrantrums. We have a code card. We have an actual card trick. And an Lightning Energy. Howlucha. Furfru. Servine! So I have the entire evolutionary line. Gonna have to look that back up. Pokemon Catcher. Flip a coin if head switch one of your opponent's benched Pokemon to its active spot. So it's basically a worse boss's order. Volcanion. Navine. Special Energy. Growing Energy. Cool. Very cool. Dedenne. And a full art Mega Starmie. Yeah. That's definitely getting sleeved. That's definitely getting sleeved. We got Patrick Star. That's so cool. Look at that card. That's awesome. So, if we take a look at all our hits, we open up 6 packs. We got 3 hits. 1 is a full art. Has 2 golden stars. 2 are just regular EXs, so that's cool. But of course, this is what we wanted. This is what I wanted personally, and I got it. So that just makes me super happy. Then I got 2 Tyrantrums. So cool. Such a cool Pokemon. I love dinosaurs. If you know me and you watch my Lego videos, you will know that I love dinosaurs. So getting 2 Tyrantrums just makes me so happy. And that's basically just gonna be it for this video. Perfect Order. It's not perfect, but I do like the set. It has a lot of nice cards. It has a lot of playable cards. So, in my honest opinion, if you play the Pokemon TCG, this really is a set for you. If you're just a collector, you just care about value, you might not care about this set. And that's totally fine. But if you play the game, and maybe if there are some Pokemons in here that you really like, I definitely recommend it. Only if you can get it for a fair price, like I did. Because overpaying is never fun, you know? Really sucks out the joy of the hobby. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more, of course. And you'll see me in the next one. Goodbye!